Guess what? Welcome back to Shara's World. Today's a super exciting day because we are juicing today, you guys. I'm so excited to show you guys what we're juicing in the kitchen today. So I don't remember if I already said this, but I just filmed for TikTok and I did have cucumbers in that video. So y'all can watch that. I'll link it below if you want to see that or, visit my TikTok. But I just finished my juice and I was like, you know what? I have leftovers that were chopped up that I didn't end up using. So why not just make another juice? But I don't have any more cucumbers. So in this juice, we'll have tangerines, pineapples, some ginger, some carrots, and some spinach. So that's the juice we're making. You guys, I'm trying to get my life together, trying to get my health back in check. I also have not eaten meat for about 3 or 4 days now. And guys, I lost 3 pounds. Crazy. I lost 3 pounds. So it's working, guys. So, but now I'm going to incorporate juicing and I'm going to start working out. I need to hold myself accountable. So if you guys want to follow along this health journey, this eating healthy, vegetarian diet, and lifestyle, as well as like incorporating juicing and working out and just trying to get your bodies back for 2024 this summer, we are going to be looking good, feeling good. It's not just about looking good, guys. It's also about mentally, your mental health. There's also like health issues and things like that I'd want to keep, away because I am a mom and my daughter's only 2, guys. I need to be around for her. So I need to get my body together. I need to start working out again. I need to get back to where I was before I was pregnant. And even before I was pregnant, I still need to get back to like where I was when I met my husband. That was the healthiest I had ever been. I was vegan basically. But anyways, enough rambling. Let's jump back into the whole reason why you guys are here is for this juicing video. And again, I've already had my juice, but I'm just using the leftovers to make another juice for my YouTube family. I love you guys. Guys, I forgot I freaking had apples. I didn't put them in my first juice, but it's okay. I'm gonna add it to this one. So I'm just chopping up my carrots, you guys. Getting them ready for this next juice. So we kind of have a random combination going on, but guys, I did the random combination. It came out bomb. The only thing I'm doing is just adding an apple and it's gonna be good. Just trust, okay? I'm gonna go get my apple core and core this and then we are gonna get started. Also, a tip in your pulp catcher, use a little grocery bag and put it in there so it helps with the cleanup later on. It's a lifesaver, guys. Lifesaver, okay? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is so satisfying, so I wanted to do it on camera for you guys. I'm sure you guys know what this is, but it's so hard to get in at first because this apple is kind of small too, but hold on, oh my God. I got it, okay. You got to put your back into it a little bit, but look how amazing that is. Takes out all the seeds and everything. And it cuts your apples into slices. It's literally perfection. So I'm just going to break them apart really quick and get them ready to juice. Okay, let's show you everything I'm juicing. Okay, guys, just a little overview of everything that's going to go in the juice. These are hard, baby. My daughter is in fruit and vegetable heaven right now. She loves them. She loves all fruits, okay? But we have some carrots, pineapples, apples, spinach, tangerines, and ginger. So guys, there's no excuse. You can literally juice anything that's in your fridge that's a fruit or a vegetable, okay? So there's no excuses. Just find whatever you have, leftovers in your fridge, whatever. Not leftovers. You guys know what I mean. Okay, let's just get this juicing started. No, not in there, baby. Look, we're gonna put these up here. See? You're gonna put them up here. Mommy's gonna lift you up. Hold on. My daughter wants to help. You guys, she's 2. I thought you said you wanted to help mommy. No. Well, it's okay. You don't have to. You want to go down then? It's okay. It's just a juicer. Look, can you put the carrot up here? Put the carrot inside. Okay. Good job. Let's see the juice coming out. Yeah, the juice is coming out. Yummy juice. Can you put some more fruit in there? Good job. Look at all the juice coming out when we put it in there. See? You can add some tangerines. Whoa! That one flew out. Wow, orange juice. You can add some spinach. Yummy. Some green spinach. Cheers. All right, so do you want to taste it for everybody? Where's our straw? It's right here. Oops. Okay guys, I already had my juice, but I just want to taste test this one. This one's going to go in the fridge for tomorrow, and my mom's probably going to have some too, I'm sure. Guys, that's even better than the first one because of that apple. I'm telling you, if you are juicing, add an apple. It's a game changer. Oh my God, it's amazing. One more sip. Guys, don't mind the spinach, but this is so delicious. You can't even taste the spinach inside. It's so good. So if you haven't juiced today, this is your reminder to go do it, because what are you waiting for? The benefits are endless. I'll probably add some benefits to the screen if I get time when I'm editing. But as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay you. And if you guys want to follow me on my health journey, I'm going to be, I think I already mentioned that I'm not eating any meat. So I'll be like, you know, sharing recipes with you guys if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff. And eventually I'll do more of an in-depth like body video, like where I'm at, where I want to get to, my goal, what workouts I'm gonna do, all that stuff. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also check out my TikTok that is linked in the description as well, because I'll be doing short videos on there sometimes. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.